Hey everyone, let's innovate. On the digital transformation journey, we have two enabling technologies that help us with visualizations, information, training, and verifications without the need to be in a physical location. Although similar, they have different functions and characteristics. They are virtual reality and augmented reality. Both are aimed at significantly improving your immersion experience in the digital world. Virtual reality, or VR, allows you to visit an environment created by a computer. This technology replaces what you are seeing with 100% digital, virtual content, through special glasses or even an immersion helmet. The intent is to completely isolate your vision from the actual physical environment while experiencing a new reality. It's a technology that allows you to create your own environment, completely independent of the real world around you. As a rule, this special eyewear can be controlled by some kind of joystick or mouse, or even head or hand movements. With this, you can move freely through a controlled environment and try to perform some virtual actions simulating a real environment. Anyone who has tried games on the Xbox or Super Nintendo using remote controls already has an idea of how to use these movements. Virtual reality games can allow you to put yourself in the player's shoes, practically step into the game, and experience all the action from your virtual vision. But, in addition to games, virtual reality has an immense application in specific training that may incur a risk or safety for the trainee. Maintenance courses can be experienced by a mechanic, piloting courses experienced by a pilot candidate, and even combat situations can be experienced by a soldier. Augmented reality, on the other hand, allows you to view projections of content and additional information about a product, for example. They can be images, texts, graphics, video characters, among other possibilities. An augmented reality experience that you may have participated in, and didn't even know about, was Pokemon Go, a craze a few years ago. Different characters were placed in the most diverse, and sometimes unusual places to be hunted by their followers. It's a technology that allows you to interact with what already exists. Augmented reality can also be experienced when you use Instagram Stories filters, for example, and include animations superimposed on images captured by your smartphone's camera. We've seen the use of augmented reality in many off-the-shelf products that, when you point your phone's camera, present a story of the producer, the farm, or even a complete recipe in text or video. In museums and landmarks, augmented reality has also been a great support in complementing information, directions, and complete stories concerning the monument, point, famous painting, and so on. In education, we have also seen several applications in supporting and complementing the contents of books and teaching materials. Both virtual reality and augmented reality have been increasing their use in fields as diverse as simulations and visualizations in digital farms or in surgical centers. The application, therefore, is immense, and we need to learn how to use it in the context of our digital transformation. Hugs to all, and let's innovate and digitally transform our organizations.